Welcome to Make Life Smart, where we believe your kitchen should work as hard as you do. Think about the last time you cooked and everything just came together. The right temperature, the right timing, the right result, without the stress. Now imagine that being the standard, not the exception. The appliances in today's video are not just smart and stylish, they're the kind of purchases that make you wonder how your kitchen ever functioned without them. 10 of them, all tested, all real. So which one is going to change the way your kitchen works this week? Number 1. Everyday cooking just got a serious upgrade. The Philips OneChef is a smart cooker that guides you through recipes step by step, adjusting temperature, timing, and technique automatically as you cook. Follow the app, it controls the heat. You focus on the ingredients. The OneChef handles everything else. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, all in one appliance that sits on your counter and replaces a shelf full of pots you never use properly. It connects to the Philips app with hundreds of guided recipes, each one optimized for the OneChef's exact settings, so the result is consistent every single time. For the people who want to cook well, but never quite had the confidence to trust a process, the OneChef is the appliance that makes confidence come standard. Number 2. Fresh juice should take 30 seconds, not 30 minutes of cleanup. The Canoly C16 is a smart juicer that extracts maximum yield from every piece of fruit using a slow, cold-press system that preserves more nutrients, more flavor, and more color than conventional juicers at twice the speed of most comparable machines. Self-cleaning mode activates with one button. The whole process from fruit to glass takes under a minute. Wide feed chute handles whole fruits. No pre-cutting, no prep work. Just drop it in and pour. The juice you buy at the store was made days ago and traveled hundreds of miles. The juice the C16 makes was fruit 11 seconds ago. That difference is something you taste on the very first glass. Number 3. Your leftovers just got a much longer future. The OWKAR is a handheld vacuum sealer that removes air from compatible bags and containers in seconds, extending the freshness of food up to 5 times longer than regular storage. Compact enough to keep in a kitchen drawer, one-handed operation, compatible with standard vacuum seal bags and resealable containers. No bulky machine, no complicated setup, just press, seal, and walk away knowing the food you put away today will still be good when you go back for it. Every kitchen wastes food. The OWKAR is the simplest possible fix for one of the most consistent ones. Number 4. 5 frozen desserts, 1 machine. And none of them require a trip to the store. The HiCOZY F3 makes slushies, soft-serve ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and milkshakes from fresh ingredients you choose yourself in under 20 minutes from start to first scoop. No pre-freezing the bowl overnight. No waiting, no planning ahead. Just add your ingredients, press the button, and watch it go. The self-refrigerating compressor means it is ready whenever you are, not when the freezer decides it has been cold long enough. For families with kids who want something cold on a hot afternoon, the F3 turns that request from a trip to the store into a 5-minute moment in the kitchen. For adults who want to control exactly what goes into their frozen desserts, it puts every ingredient decision in your hands. The ice cream aisle at the store offers you 30 options. The HiCOZY F3 offers you everything. Number 5. This single machine just replaced 10 appliances sitting in your kitchen right now. The Thermomix TM7 chops, blends, weighs, cooks, steams, stirs, sautés, ferments, and guides you through over 90,000 recipes on its built-in touchscreen with step-by-step instructions that adjust automatically to what the machine is doing. You do not need to know how to cook. You do not need to watch it, time it, or stir it. Set it up, walk away. Come back to a meal that took the TM7 20 minutes and looks like it took you 2 hours. The precision is what separates it from everything else. Exact temperatures, exact timings, every variable controlled so the result is the same every single time. Not close, identical. Serious home cooks have called it the last appliance they ever bought. Because after the TM7, there's nothing left to add. Number 6. Your kitchen waste just stopped being waste. The DOACE one is a compact electric kitchen composter that turns food scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds, vegetable trimmings, leftovers, into dry, odorless compost in under 3 hours. No smell, no fruit flies, no guilt about what goes in the bin. It sits on the counter. It processes quietly. And what comes out the other side goes directly into a garden, a planter, or a compost bin that no longer smells like a mistake. The average household throws away hundreds of pounds of food waste every year. Most of it goes to landfill. None of it had to. The C1 is compact enough for any kitchen, simple enough for anyone to use, and the impact, measured one counter full of scraps at a time, is larger than it looks. Your kitchen waste was always useful. The DOACE1 just made sure it finally gets to be. Number 7. Perfect rice every single time without thinking about it once. The Zojirushi NL-EAC1018 uses fuzzy logic microcomputer technology to monitor and adjust temperature and cooking time throughout the entire cycle, responding to the actual conditions inside the pot rather than following a fixed program. Different rice varieties, different quantities, different humidity levels in your kitchen. It adjusts for all of it automatically. The rice that comes out is consistently the texture, the moisture level, and the finish that most people spend years trying to achieve manually. Zojirushi has been making rice cookers longer than most kitchen brands have existed. This is what decades of refinement looks like when it finally fits on your counter. Number 8. Cafe quality espresso without leaving your kitchen or tipping a barista. The KitchenAid KF8 is a fully automatic espresso machine that grinds, tamps, extracts, and froths entirely on its own, from whole beans to a finished drink with one button press. Adjustable grind size, adjustable strength, adjustable milk temperature. A machine that remembers your preferences and delivers your exact drink every morning without variation. The coffee shop charges $5 for what the KF8 makes in 90 seconds. After the first week, you will not miss the commute. Number 9. Crispy food, no guilt, no mess. That is the entire pitch, and it delivers. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 5.8 QT uses rapid air circulation to cook food with up to 85% less oil than deep frying, without sacrificing the crunch, the color, or the satisfaction that made fried food worth eating in the first place. Smart app control lets you monitor and adjust a cook from your phone. 100 preset recipes built in, preheat in under 3 minutes, large enough for a whole chicken or a full portion for 4 people. Dishwasher-safe basket, non-stick interior, easy clean every time. The food you love, made the way your future self will thank you for. Number 10. The difference between a good cup of coffee and a great one is smaller than most people think. The MAVO Lumicurve is a precision coffee scale designed around the exact variables that separate an average brew from one that makes you stop mid-sip. Built-in timer that starts automatically when you pour. Flow rate display showing extraction speed in real time. Auto tare that resets the moment the next pour begins. 0.1 gram accuracy. A curved form that fits cleanly under any pour-over, AeroPress, or espresso setup. The display is clear, the response is instant, the design is something you actually want sitting on your counter. Most people make coffee by feel and wonder why it tastes different every morning. The Lumicurve removes the guesswork and replaces it with the one thing that makes good coffee repeatable: precision. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.